finish. What drink that? Me? Nah, drink it.
Lick it out. Go on.
I bought this today because I went to a Korean restaurant with my Korean friend, and I decided to do a video of it because it's my first time trying it. Please forgive my little storage area over there. Oh, look at the steam. It's red hot. Yo, I started coughing and I was wondering what the hell is this. It's actually, oh my gosh, I'm gonna record me eating this. Oh my god. All right, wait for it.
Pikachu, 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 Pikachu.
I'm coughing. All right. Whoa. Father God. I hope I live to post this. Damn. Why did they make it so red? I'm sure it's not as hot. Let me just cool it down a little bit. It's hot. But I think the red color is also some sort of sauce. It has a sweetish taste. If you like spicy stuff and hot stuff, this is for you. It's hot, yo. It's good. It has that Korean taste. It's Korean noodles, of course. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna finish this. I'll see you later when I'm done.
Soon after.
I'm sure you want to check up on me after a few minutes. I'm not doing well. Oh. I'm gonna finish it.
You serious?
I don't want to splash in my eyes. Ooh. Can I finish it? Yes, I can. I'm sorry, my wickedness. Ooh. Finish. Ooh. What drink that? Me? Nah, drink it. I actually like the flavor.
but it's hot bad. See you in the next video. Boom bang, I'm out.